When clients come to an attorney's office, first of all, it's often the very first time they've had to see an attorney for any reason. So right away, they're intimidated. Really, what the attorney needs to do is to walk them through the key steps that are important for them to know as they begin their journey. Perhaps the most important thing about any journey is to know where you're going. And the destination for our clients is that we want a successful resolution of their case. When a client calls our office, we have someone ready to answer every call 24/7. We have a dedicated intake process and a dedicated intake coordinator who takes that call, gathers critical information, and then turns that information over to an attorney here who's then able to respond directly to that client.
Once a prospective client becomes a client here, a couple of things are going to happen. First of all, they're going to get a team assigned to their case. They're obviously going to have their attorney, but they're also going to have a pre-litigation paralegal and a litigation paralegal. The pre-litigation paralegal is going to be tasked with gathering all of the pertinent documents and evidence we need to build the case from the ground up. They're also going to have a litigation paralegal who's going to be there initially in the background, making sure that the case is ready if it needs to go to litigation.
In addition, they are given their personalized text and email so they know how to communicate with us on a regular basis. And they're also welcomed into a process of steps that will take place in their case through an online portal. We take pride as a small personal firm in having what I call robust technology. We have a very strong software management program for all of our cases. We are currently using artificial intelligence to help us summarize data within the firm.
We have the capabilities of doing Zoom, any sort of virtual consultation or meeting with a client during the course of their case. We oftentimes have clients who aren't able to leave the house or it's just not convenient given the injuries. So we have that capability of doing really virtually every aspect of the case.
Once we believe we've gotten into a position about resolving a case, we can do direct negotiation with insurance companies or their attorneys. Ultimately, if a case cannot be resolved in those ways, that's when we go to trial. It's so important to prepare everybody in the room that you have the ability and the willingness to take your matter to trial if that's what is required. Our promise to you, with our technical strength and our personalized attention, the most important thing we're going to bring to the table is our hard work. And we're going to work as hard as we possibly can to get you to the right result.